Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to knit the mistake rib stitch. At the beginning, you will see that I have posted a little clip on how this scarf looks like on a mistake rib stitch. So we're going to start right away. What you need to do is you need to cast on multiple of 4 plus 3. So what I did is I cast on this 28 plus 3. So 28 is 7 times 4 plus 3 is 31. So we're going to start right away on the beginning of the row. It's very easy and short. It's going to be a short video. So what we're going to do is, and it's a repeat of row 1, where we're going to knit this on this row. So I usually don't knit, but I'm going to count as I'm knitting. So this would be knit 1, knit 2, okay? And the next 2 stitches are going to be purl yarn on the front. So knit 1, purl, knit 2, purl. And then we're going to repeat this. Knit 2, knit 2, purl. Until we come to the last 3 stitches. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, just checking, I don't want to do any extra. Looks like oh, this is a knit, okay. So purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. About that, I had to go back and fix. It looks like I knitted 3 in between, so I went and fixed that. Even that one mistake just ruins the stitch. So I did my 3 purl. Now I am going to knit the 2. So this is the last 3 stitches. So knit the 2, and then the last one is going to be a purl. So we turn our work and we just repeat what we did. Okay, now it's easy. It's the first row that when you make a mistake, you make a mistake. So knit 2. As I said, I don't knit my first stitch because I want this edge to be nice and smooth. So when we knit the first 2 stitches, because we finished with knit, knit, purl, what's going to happen is the stitches are going to change. But we're using the same technique, which is knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. So what's happening is, because we did knit 2, purl, knit these 2 stitches on the wrong side, it looks like it's a purl, but we're doing the knit on this one, so it's going to change the look. Okay, and then we're going to purl 2. So don't look. Usually when you're knitting, you knit what you see, but no, on this particular pattern, we don't do this. That's how it makes a mistake rib stitch. So it's kind of funny and super easy, like I said. So purl 2. Knit 2. purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Okay, again, we're at the last 3 stitches, so knit 2, and then the last one is a purl. Okay, we turn our work, and then we just repeat this over and over until the length that you need. So knit 2, purl 2. So what I'll do is I will pause the video, and on the background I will continue knitting, and I will show you how it looks like on this yarn. At the beginning of the video you saw a variegated yarn and saw how it looks like. So this can be knit with any yarn that you want, just using the yarn that I have in my stash, which this is a Caron Simply Soft yarn, but it's the chunky one. Okay, so purl 2, knit 2. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I've been knitting a couple of rows, and this is how it looks like. Isn't this fluffy? Poofity poof poof. I just love it. Yeah. Like I said, you can knit this with any yarn you wish. I'm just using the yarn in my stash, and I just love it. It's super soft. So this would be perfect for hats, scarves, sweaters, cardigans, anything you wish. It's a very simple stitch, and it's just a repeat of 1 row. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.